Shit. Holy f. Dude, my stove was on. But like not all the way on. It's like fucking propane's in my house right now. Good luck, boys. Like the stream if you haven't, boys. Subscribe if you have. You guys already know what it is. Waiting a splash. What the f. Oh, unsupported card type. This, I gotta stop this. Splash Force, honestly, not gonna touch it. Do I need to have this open? Hold up. I'm gonna log in. I don't have to have it open, but I am gonna log in just to be safe. Alright, I gotta start my Wrath task. Here we go, boys. Waiting for V3 capture? That should not be happening. Definitely have a lot of solvers open. Error fetching homepage. Is the site already dying or some shit? I don't know. I'm not gonna worry about Splash Force though. I don't know. I hope I get something with Ganesh. Oh, make sure you have solvers open. If you don't have, if yours is doing this and you don't have solvers open, open your solvers. Making the executive call. We're going to auto solve on Wrath. This is a fucking risky play that I definitely did not want to have to make, but we're gonna have to do it. Then it might just, does all your tasks say waiting for capture? Waiting for V3 capture, dude. What is going on? Waiting for V3 capture. Any ideas? Because I don't know. Let's try a different proxy. Solver that. Open. And splash. That was f***ing it, dude. What the hell? We're back. We're back. We're back. No! I got the f***ing declined, dude. I got declined. Because I already been used on fit. God, dude. What do I not have a webhook in? That's where I hit. I think I hit an ACO. Payment decline. Oh man, dude. I would have had one. I would have been feeling good. And I thought I checked out every card. I was like, yo, this isn't gonna happen again. Unauthorized merchant. Well, I don't usually cook whenever I'm streaming. So we're not off to a bad start. 11 minutes in, I've had one decline. I hit an ACO. Look, I hit ACO. Shout out Saber. You guys want free ACO. That could have been you right there. Another successful checkout. One in cart. 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 Submitting order. Submitting order. Submitting order. I think this is another slot for Saber. Pass and splash. Here we go. Error carding product. 400. I don't know what that means. Why am I so stressed out, dude? Dashy's holding it down, but I don't have a hook, so I can't see what's happening. Pass and splash on Wrath. Declined. Declined on my profile, bro. I'm passing on Wrath. Passing on Wrath. Good. Come on. Come on. We're carding. We're carding. We're getting fucking declines. I got declined again. I pass splash again. 5 in cart. Let's see if we can do something here. 5 in cart. 5 in cart. 4 declines. Bro. How many do we have? Alright, I have 1, 2, 3 on Dashy. 1. That makes 4. I only got 4. I only got 4. Wrath is buns. Wrath is getting there. Just keeps getting declined. Ship it to a different address. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to figure something out, bro. It's hard when all I hit is declines. Alright, I got a new one. Oh wait, that's on my profile. Let's go. We got one, guys. We got one. Let's go. We got one on Dashy. Let's go. Size 10. Let's get it, boys. We got one. We got one. I'm happy with it. Should have 2. I should have 2, but I fucked up the card situation. But hey, it happens, man. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Dude, my stove was on. But like not all the way on. It's like fucking propane's in my house right now. I gotta go fix this, but I'm starting my task now. Holy shit. Holy fuck. It's so bad too. It's so bad. I know, I'm about to go start opening all my windows and shit. It's bad too. It's so bad. Hold on. If something happens, I call somebody. I don't know. Oh, dude, I'm glad I smelled that because this fucking. And it definitely wasn't even me that left the stove on. Like, how do you leave the stove? I don't know. I don't know. Now my neighbor can see me streaming. Actually, someone probably bumped it, and it's a propane stove. So like it'll just start leaking propane and shit. Waiting for V3 capture. I remember I need different proxies. Dude, it still smells like complete shit. Holy f, imagine if my house like blew up or some crazy shit. Okay, I'm gonna go talk to somebody.
A few moments later.
Imagine if I'd been asleep. Yeah, I would have been f***ed. And I would usually sleep in like, me and my sister would sleep in like at least like 10, 30, 11, right? So like, that's another 3 hours of that shit going off. Holy f, that's kind of scary. Damn, dude. Oh, shit. It smells a lot better though. Cell started though, so we should start seeing some shit happening. 1,000 tasks might be too much on here, I don't know. That shit's kind of loud, but I need it. Bear with me. Okay, boys. Now is the waiting game. We'll see what happens. I was gonna run TSP, but I didn't really want to have to set that shit up. Fraud decline. So I have a fraud decline on one of my slots. Dashi cooking. I need my Dashi to cook. There we go. I just checked out. There we go. I checked out a slot. I checked out a slot, dude. Shout out Saber. If you guys aren't in Saber and want free slots, I just cooked a free pair of shoes for somebody. Literally, you don't have to do anything. You just sign up and then you're good. So if you guys want that, links down in the description below right now. So I'm getting a lot of declines on Wrath. What is Wrath saying about that? Another decline on Wrath, bro. All right. How many checkouts? I'm at 1 on Dashi. All right. Anything yet? We got another decline, dude. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy. Ready for product? Well, guys, this has been interesting. Decline. I gotta check out. Yeah, okay, that was for another ACOs. I can't hit, bro. This is so annoying. Well, boys, this has been interesting. Look at that, 72 failed. Oh yeah, Kith dropped right whenever I solved it. Submitting, please. Oh my, no, but no. Sorry, that probably just killed yours, but come on. Come on. True date, fraud declines. I have 19 of those bitches. Plus the ones on Dashi, which Dashi at least had 15, 20 probably. I'm out, boys. I appreciate you guys for coming by. It means a lot. Hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. Man, it was a wild stream.